Have you ever finished a tough workout or spent hours working in the heat, only to feel exhausted, sore, and drained, even after drinking plenty of water? Many people assume they're simply dehydrated, but proper hydration requires more than water alone. Your body depends on electrolytes, essential minerals that regulate fluid balance, support muscle function, maintain nerve signals, and help produce energy. When electrolyte levels drop, fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, weakness, and low energy often follow. While many people reach for sports drinks, many commercial options contain added sugar, artificial colors, and unnecessary ingredients. The good news is that nature provides healthier alternatives. In this video, we'll explore 7 plants and plant-based foods naturally rich in electrolytes that help support hydration, muscle recovery, and lasting energy. Some may already be growing in your garden, while others are easy to find at your local grocery store. Let's begin with one of nature's most refreshing sources of hydration. 1. Coconut water. If nature created its own sports drink, coconut water would be one of its greatest success stories. For generations, people living in tropical regions have relied on coconut water to replace fluids lost through heat, hard work, and physical activity. Long before commercial sports drinks existed, it was already being used as a refreshing source of natural hydration. What makes coconut water so effective is its impressive balance of electrolytes. It naturally contains potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium, minerals that are essential for maintaining hydration, supporting healthy muscles, and keeping the nervous system functioning properly. Among these nutrients, potassium is especially abundant. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, supports muscle contractions, and allows nerves to communicate efficiently throughout the body. Every heartbeat and every muscle movement depends on maintaining healthy potassium levels. Whenever you sweat, your body loses both water and electrolytes. That's why drinking plain water alone isn't always enough after intense exercise or long hours in the heat. Your body needs both fluids and minerals to recover properly. Coconut water naturally provides both. Another advantage is its simplicity. Compared with many commercial sports drinks, coconut water usually contains fewer calories and avoids artificial colors, preservatives, and large amounts of added sugar. Many people also find it gentle on the stomach, making it an easy choice after exercise. Magnesium is another valuable mineral found in coconut water. It plays an important role in muscle relaxation, energy production, and hundreds of essential processes throughout the body. Maintaining healthy magnesium levels helps support normal muscle function and recovery after physical activity. Coconut water also supplies small amounts of calcium, another electrolyte involved in muscle movement and nerve signaling. While it isn't a major calcium source, every contribution helps maintain proper electrolyte balance. Beyond electrolytes, coconut water contains natural antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by exercise and other physical demands. Many people notice that coconut water feels especially refreshing after spending time outdoors on hot days because it replaces both fluids and essential minerals at the same time. Whether you enjoy it after a workout, during hot weather, or simply as a healthier alternative to sugary beverages, coconut water remains one of the best natural options for supporting hydration. When it comes to replenishing electrolytes naturally, few drinks compare to coconut water. 2. Avocado. When people think about avocados, healthy fats are usually the first thing that comes to mind. While that's certainly true, avocados are also one of the richest plant foods for important electrolytes that help support hydration, muscle function, and recovery. In fact, a serving of avocado provides even more potassium than many foods commonly associated with this mineral, including bananas. Potassium is one of the body's most important electrolytes. It helps regulate fluid balance, supports healthy blood pressure, allows muscles to contract properly, and keeps nerves communicating efficiently. When potassium levels are too low, everyday activities can become more tiring. Muscle weakness, cramps, fatigue, and low energy may all be linked to inadequate potassium intake. Avocados provide an excellent natural source of this essential nutrient. But potassium is only one reason they're so nutritious. They also contain magnesium, vitamin K, folate, vitamin E, dietary fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Together, these nutrients help support overall health while promoting recovery after physical activity. Unlike highly processed foods that often cause rapid spikes and crashes in energy, Avocados provide steady nourishment that helps maintain energy levels throughout the day. Their magnesium content is especially valuable for active people. Magnesium supports hundreds of biochemical reactions involved in energy production, muscle recovery, nerve function, and healthy sleep. Since many adults don't consume enough magnesium, foods like avocados can make an important contribution to a balanced diet. Potassium and magnesium also work together to support healthy muscle function. Potassium helps muscles contract efficiently, while magnesium allows them to relax afterward, making this combination especially beneficial after exercise. Avocados are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health, slows digestion, helps stabilize blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Another reason avocados are so popular is their incredible versatility. They can be added to sandwiches, sliced into salads, blended into smoothies, served on toast, mixed into grain bowls, or mashed into fresh guacamole. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them easy to include in almost any meal. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts regularly include avocados in post-workout meals because they provide electrolytes, healthy fats, and a wide variety of nutrients that support recovery. Their healthy fats also help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K more effectively, while naturally occurring antioxidants help protect cells from everyday oxidative stress. True recovery requires more than replacing lost fluids. Your body also needs nutrients that support muscles, energy production, healthy cells, and overall balance. Avocados help provide all of these at once. Loaded with potassium, magnesium, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, they remain one of the most nutrient-dense plant foods you can eat. If you're looking for a delicious food that naturally supports hydration, electrolyte balance, muscle recovery, and lasting energy, avocados deserve a regular place in your diet. 3. Watermelon. When the weather gets hot and your body needs extra hydration, few foods are as refreshing as watermelon. Made up of more than 90% water, it's one of nature's best foods for replacing fluids while delivering a naturally sweet, refreshing taste. But watermelon offers much more than hydration alone. It naturally contains important electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, two minerals that help regulate fluid balance, support healthy muscles, and keep the nervous system working properly. After a workout, a long day in the garden, or hours spent in the summer heat, watermelon helps replace both water and the minerals lost through sweat. One of its standout nutrients is citrulline, a natural amino acid that has attracted attention for its role in circulation and exercise recovery. Citrulline helps the body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and may improve blood flow. Better circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to reach working muscles more efficiently, making watermelon a popular recovery food among athletes and active individuals. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene, the antioxidant responsible for its bright red color. Lycopene helps protect cells from oxidative stress caused by exercise, environmental factors, and everyday metabolism. In addition, watermelon supplies vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps the body produce collagen, an important protein needed for healthy skin, joints, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. One reason watermelon is so enjoyable after exercise is its natural combination of water, electrolytes, and carbohydrates. The natural sugars help restore energy, while the high water content supports hydration, making it far more refreshing than many processed drinks. It's also incredibly versatile. Enjoy it fresh, blend it into smoothies, add it to fruit salads, freeze it into healthy desserts, or combine it with cucumber and mint for an extra refreshing summer snack. Despite its sweet flavor, watermelon is relatively low in calories and packed with beneficial nutrients. Whether you're cooling off after working outside or recovering from a tough workout, it's one of nature's most delicious ways to stay hydrated while supporting electrolyte balance and recovery. 4. Oranges. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C, but they're also excellent foods for supporting hydration and maintaining healthy electrolyte levels. Their high water content and generous supply of potassium make them a refreshing and nutritious choice after exercise or time spent in the heat. Potassium is one of the body's most important electrolytes. It helps regulate fluid balance, supports healthy muscles, and allows nerves to function properly. When potassium levels become too low, fatigue, muscle weakness, cramps, and reduced endurance can begin to appear. Oranges naturally replace both fluids and potassium without the added sugars and artificial ingredients found in many sports drinks. Unlike fruit juice, whole oranges also provide dietary fiber, which slows digestion and helps release natural sugars more gradually. This promotes steadier energy levels and helps prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Another reason oranges are so highly valued is their impressive vitamin C content. Vitamin C supports immune health, wound healing, collagen production, and antioxidant protection. Since collagen is essential for healthy skin, joints, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels, maintaining adequate vitamin C is especially important for active people. Oranges also contain flavonoids, natural plant compounds with antioxidant properties that may help support heart health and protect cells from oxidative stress. Their convenience makes them even more appealing. They require almost no preparation, are easy to carry anywhere, and provide a refreshing snack after sports, outdoor work, or exercise. That's one reason orange slices have remained a favorite at sporting events for generations. In addition to potassium, oranges provide small amounts of magnesium and calcium, adding even more nutritional value. Whether eaten fresh, added to salads, blended into smoothies, mixed with yogurt, or used in savory dishes, oranges offer an easy and delicious way to stay hydrated while supplying important electrolytes, antioxidants, and vitamins. 5. Bananas. When people think about electrolyte-rich foods, bananas are usually the first fruit that comes to mind, and for good reason. They're naturally rich in potassium, widely available, inexpensive, and one of the most popular foods for supporting hydration and recovery. Potassium plays an essential role in regulating fluid balance, maintaining healthy muscle contractions, supporting nerve signals, and keeping the heart functioning normally. Because potassium is lost through sweat, replacing it after exercise or hot weather is especially important. Bananas make that incredibly easy. They're portable, require no preparation, and can be eaten almost anywhere, whether you're heading to the gym, hiking a trail, or recovering after a long workout. But bananas offer more than potassium alone. They also provide carbohydrates, the body's primary source of energy. During exercise, muscles use stored glycogen for fuel, and afterward those energy stores need to be replenished. The natural carbohydrates found in bananas help restore that energy while supporting recovery. Bananas also contain magnesium, another important electrolyte involved in muscle function, nerve communication, and energy production. Together, potassium, magnesium, and carbohydrates create an excellent combination for post-workout recovery. Many athletes pair bananas with yogurt, milk, cottage cheese, or nut butter to combine carbohydrates with protein, helping support muscle repair while replacing lost energy. Another advantage is how easy bananas are to digest. After intense physical activity, when large meals may feel too heavy, bananas provide quick nutrition that's gentle on the stomach. Despite the growing number of sports supplements and recovery drinks, bananas remain one of the simplest and most effective recovery foods available. Affordable, convenient, naturally rich in electrolytes, and packed with energy-supporting nutrients, bananas continue to be one of the best foods for maintaining hydration, restoring electrolyte balance, and promoting healthy recovery after physical activity. 6. Cucumbers. At first glance, cucumbers may seem like an ordinary salad vegetable, but they're actually one of nature's best foods for staying hydrated. Made up of about 95% water, cucumbers help replenish fluids naturally, making them especially refreshing after exercise, time spent outdoors, or hot summer days. Their benefits go beyond water alone. Cucumbers also provide important electrolytes, including potassium, magnesium, and small amounts of calcium. These minerals help regulate fluid balance, support healthy muscles, and keep the nervous system functioning properly. Potassium is especially important because it works together with sodium to maintain proper hydration inside and outside the body's cells. When electrolytes are lost through sweating, heat, or physical activity, symptoms such as fatigue, muscle weakness, cramps, and low energy can develop. Including naturally hydrating foods like cucumbers can help restore that balance without relying on sugary sports drinks. Cucumbers also contain valuable antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids that help protect cells from oxidative stress while supporting overall health. One reason cucumbers are so popular during warm weather is their naturally cooling effect. Their crisp texture and high water content make them incredibly refreshing, especially after spending time in the sun. They're also extremely versatile. Cucumbers can be added to salads, blended into smoothies, infused into drinking water, mixed with yogurt, or simply enjoyed fresh as a healthy snack. Many active people also include them in post-workout meals because they provide hydration without adding many calories. For maximum nutrition, it's best to eat cucumbers with the peel whenever possible, since the skin contains additional vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Light, refreshing, and easy to digest, cucumbers are an excellent choice whenever your body needs extra hydration. Although they rarely receive the same attention as sports drinks or electrolyte supplements, cucumbers naturally provide water, minerals, antioxidants, and nutrients that help support recovery and overall health. 7. Beet greens. Many people cut off beet greens and throw them away without realizing they're actually one of the most nutritious parts of the entire plant. These leafy tops are packed with electrolytes, vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds, often providing even more nutrients than the beetroot itself. Beet greens are especially rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, a powerful combination of electrolytes that supports hydration, muscle function, and recovery. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, magnesium supports muscle relaxation and energy production, while calcium plays an essential role in muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and many other important functions throughout the body. Together, these minerals help maintain healthy electrolyte levels while supporting both physical performance and recovery. Beet greens are also an outstanding source of vitamins A, C, and K, which contribute to healthy vision, strong bones, immune function, tissue repair, and overall wellness. Another impressive benefit is their natural nitrate content. Like spinach and Swiss chard, beet greens contain dietary nitrates that may help improve circulation by supporting healthy blood flow. Better circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to reach muscles more efficiently, which may benefit both exercise performance and post-workout recovery. Many people are surprised to learn that beet greens can actually be even more nutrient-dense than the beet itself. Instead of throwing them away, they're worth adding to your meals. They can be lightly sautéed with garlic, stirred into soups, mixed into stews and stir-fries, blended into smoothies, or cooked just like spinach or other leafy greens. Their mild, earthy flavor works well in a wide variety of savory dishes. In addition to electrolytes and vitamins, beet greens provide antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress while supporting long-term health. Although they're often overlooked, beet greens offer an outstanding combination of hydration-supporting minerals, powerful antioxidants, essential vitamins, and nutrients that promote recovery and overall wellness. They're a perfect reminder that some of the healthiest foods in the kitchen are often the ones we overlook the most.